Quakes vs. Twisters. Which is truly the king of destruction? Number 5. The Krakatoa eruption. The year is 1883. For weeks, the locals on the Indonesian island of Krakatoa had been feeling the earth's rumble beneath their feet. Then it happened. A massive explosion that registered as a 6 on the volcanic explosivity index. But this was no ordinary eruption. It was so violent that it literally blew the island in half. Ash fell over a vast area of Southeast Asia, and the shockwave was so powerful that it could be heard 2,000 miles away in Australia. Cities hundreds of miles from Krakatoa were completely destroyed, and thousands upon thousands of people perished. Number 4. The Great Kanto Earthquake. On September 1, 1923, at around 11:58 p.m., an earthquake struck the western side of Tokyo Bay in Japan. Registered as in 7.9 on the Richter scale, it lasted for a terrifying 10 minutes. A few hours later, another strong quake measuring 7.3 hit the same area. The epicenter of the quake was quite close to Tokyo, just 56 miles from the city's center. It caused total havoc, leaving an estimated 142,000 people dead or missing. Whole districts of Tokyo were simply wiped off the map, and many fires broke out due to gas mains bursting. The disaster is still considered to be the deadliest earthquake in Japanese history. Number 3. The Great Hanshin Earthquake. In 1995, an earthquake measuring 6.9 on the Richter scale hit Kobe in the western region of Japan, East Hanshin Province. The quake caught people off guard as it struck during the early hours of a weekday morning. Around 60,000 buildings were destroyed, including factories, schools, and hospitals. It was not only one of Japan's deadliest earthquakes in recent history, it was also one of its costliest disasters, with damages estimated at over $100 billion. Number 2. The Sumatra Earthquake and Tsunami. On December 26, 2004, a 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra in Indonesia. This was a megaquake, the third largest ever recorded. But the real horror unfolded when a gigantic tsunami wave measuring around 100 feet crashed into coastal communities in 14 countries. The impact was devastating. Over 230,000 people were killed. Entire villages were wiped out, and countless others were left homeless. The energy released by the quake was equivalent to 500 times the energy of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Number 1. The Indian Ocean Earthquake and Tsunami. On January 2005, an undersea earthquake measuring 9.1 on the Richter scale struck just off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. This catastrophic event was not only the fourth largest earthquake ever recorded, it was also the deadliest tsunami in recorded history. The earthquake generated a series of tsunamis that crashed into coastal communities across 14 countries. The impact was devastating. Over 227,000 people were killed, hundreds of thousands more injured, and countless others were left homeless. Entire villages and cities were wiped off the map. The destruction caused by the tsunami was so extensive that it's been described as a natural marvel of horror. The force of the waves was so immense that they even knocked trains off their tracks and threw them into the sea. Which one do you think is scarier? If you think earthquakes are scarier, then give this video a thumbs up. If you think tornadoes are scarier, then give this video a thumbs down. Comment below which natural disaster you would rather face. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos.